Hey, and welcome back. This week I am showing you how I tried to save a little money by going and buying some meat that was on sale and prepping it into easy to pull out of the freezer and use portions. So first I started with pork chops. I cut off all the fat and I sliced them and put them in freezer bags. Here is a family pack of steaks that was on sale. I pulled some of them out that we cooked that week to eat, and the rest I sliced up so that it would be easy to throw them in a stir fry or any other meal. Now I didn't show the pack, but I got a family pack of chicken thighs and I trimmed all the fat and I cut some of them in chunks and left the others ready to grill so we could do barbecue chicken. Now this pack, I did show that I sliced half of them thin in 3 layers, and then with the rest I sliced them in order to throw in a stir fry. So I have my thin sliced whole breasts and then I have my sliced up breasts, and then I put the chopped up breasts in a bag to freeze, and the thin sliced whole breasts I grilled because I love having pre-cooked grilled chicken in the freezer so I can pull it out and put it in a meal that I might be making, and it's quick and easy and I don't have to think too hard. So that is what I did this week. Our meals were a little bit weird, but we did prep for coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.